Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your Discord username on mobile. And so if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Discord app and then click on your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen and click on account. So once you've clicked on account, just go ahead and click on username. Then here, just go ahead and change your username. So I'm just gonna type let me just go ahead and add a number. Click on save. Here, just need to verify your password. Click on done. And as you can see that my username has been changed. So that's it. That's how you change your Discord username using your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.